building on it? Well, I don't know, man, but it sucks. No, it doesn't. 3 simple words, fuck stick. No vendor lock-in. No vendor lock-in, and it works. All right, the fund is part of a wider VCC umbrella that brings various real-world assets to the blockchain. All right. So, and that's what matters in the real world. I don't give a shit about, oh, Shomari, but this blockchain here has 1,000 transactions a second. Yeah, well, is anyone using it? Well, no, but that's because they're stupid. They just don't understand the tech. Or they don't give a fuck about tech. Or they think it sucks, homeboy. Right? If the blockchain's not being used, it's worthless. If Elon Musk builds a super mega plant to build Tesla cars, but no one buys the cars, well, who cares about the plant? Yeah, but the plant it's got AI in it, it's got robots, only 20 humans to build, 30,000 cars a day. Yeah, well, if no one's buying the cars, who cares? Right? And that's what a lot of blockchain is. A lot of blockchain is tech guys kind of revving the engines on what they can do code-wise, but you're not making any sales. You don't have any onboardings. No one's using your blockchain. Right? You're bragging about the thing, yeah, but no one's using it. No one's using it, right? And, you're a solution looking for a problem. And the problem that you're trying to solve is not something that people care about, right? No one's going to use your thing just because you have 10,000 transactions a second. If I'm an insurance company, I don't need 1,000 transactions a second. Yeah, I probably need 1,000, I don't know, a month. 1,000 a quarter, every 3 months or something like that. Right? Right? I'm not Visa or MasterCard, which needs, 1,000 a second, worldwide type thing. Right? If I'm a real estate company, well, I probably need 1,000 transactions a year, right? So that's what you have to think of. Stop just thinking about the tech of it. Think about the usefulness of it. And the beauty with Ethereum is that it works. It's got smart contracts, all that, and no vendor lock-in. So I can use it, tinker around with a smart contract or something like this. And if I don't feel like using it tomorrow, all right, I can just stop using it, right? Right? I don't have a contract saying, blah, 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 I'm going to use this for the year and I'm going to pay you this amount of money. And no, there's no vendor lock-in. I can use it when I want, leave it when I want. As long as I pay the gas fees, all right. And that's the other thing. People are saying, Shomari, man, Ethereum's too expensive. Yeah, for your broke ass. It's not expensive for a mega bank like UBS, right? It's not expensive for a multi-billion dollar corporation, right? If I'm running a smart contract and that smart contract earns me, I don't know, let's just say I'm a smaller business. It earns me, I don't know, let's just say $1 million a month, right? Well, and I have to pay, I don't know, $1,000 in gas fees. Well, that's quite the investment, isn't it? Right? It's worth it. It's too expensive. Yeah, for your broke ass, but not for a corporation. All right, so let's check out what they're doing. Money market fund, bang. Leading Swiss bank UBS has launched a live pilot of a tokenized version. So it's a pilot, right? And that's what's beautiful, right? These guys can test it out on Ethereum. Yeah, and if they don't want to do it, all right, they can just cancel it, right? We're not doing it anymore. Anyways, though, leading Swiss bank UBS has launched a live pilot of a tokenized version of its variable capital company, VCC fund, as part of Project Guardian, an innovative led by Singapore Central Bank. I think it means an innovation led by Singapore Central Bank. So in a press release, UBS Asset Management announced that the fund is part of a broader VCC umbrella designed to bring different types of real-world assets to the blockchain. According to Thomas Kagi, the head of UBS Asset Management for Singapore and Southeast Asia, the project is a milestone in understanding funds tokenization. All right, so they're going to tokenize funds. Great. Through this exploratory initiative, we will work with traditional financial institutions and fintech providers to help understand how to improve market liquidity and market access for clients. UBS Asset Management launched the controlled pilot of the tokenized money market fund through the company's in-house tokenization service called UBS Tokenized. Using a smart contract on Ethereum, this is what I mean. You just launch your own smart contract on it. On Ethereum, the firm carried out various activities, including redemptions and fund subscriptions. The pilot is also part of the company's global distributed ledger technology strategy, which focuses on using private and public blockchains to enhance fund distribution and issuance. The new development realizes previous predictions on the tokenization of real-world assets. In a panel discussion at the World Token Summit in 2023, United Arab Emirates government advisor Ellis Wang told Cointelegraph that tokenization of real-world assets give various advantages like transparency and security, which are features embedded into blockchains. You guys know me when it comes to real-world assets, property. I want to see all real estate on the blockchain worldwide. Who owns what? To the square inch. To the millimeter, you know what I'm saying? Who owns what? All right, so these third world people don't get ripped off and stuff. I'm not going to get into it, but it's bad. It's bad. Which are features embedded in blockchain? According to the executive, the tokenization of real-world assets may catch on as it presents a significant opportunity for many industries. Yes. Earlier this year, protocols focusing on RWAs, real-world assets, became a hot topic as they outperform other subsectors of decentralized finance. On June 9th, token gains of real-world assets tokenization platform Centriview surged by 32% year-to-date. All right, so but bang! So you Ethereum hodlers, another use case, another smart contract launched, and bang, by big mega bank UBS.